Hi, I'm Chris. I sail boat number 1549. It's an EC12. It's also known as a shark boat. I just hope not to come in last today. Sailing against these skippers, I mean, there's a bunch of national champions, so I've sailed with them before.
My name is Harry. Been sailing since I was 8 years old. I now sail an EC12, and depends on how the weather goes today as to where I fit.
My name is Scott. I've been sailing the EC12 since 1976. I'm one of the class builders. I make all kinds of boats, and just love the EC12s all my whole life. Hey, this is one of our favorite ponds. It's a beautiful venue to sail. We're very grateful we have these people let us use this farm pond. So hope we're having a good day today.
Hey, good morning. I'm Dave Branning, and I'm the race director here today, and I'm one of the guys not sailing. So that part of the fun is enjoying a great day at the lake with your friends, but I get to bark out the command. So we're looking forward to a good day, and I'm looking at the lake behind this camera, and there is no wind. So we'll be waiting a while.
Good morning, I'm Roger Baldwin. I'm from Park City, Utah. I'm in here for the races. I've been sailing with this group for probably 10 to 15 years and have a lot of fun, met a lot of good people. Like sailing, like the EC12. They're a great boat, and I just enjoy myself.
Hi, I'm Don Barker. I'm in Chestertown. I moved to the eastern shore of Maryland about 10 years ago. Actually, it was longer than that. It's been 11 years now. I've been sailing about the same length of time. I sail just about anything that floats. I've sailed all over the East Coast. I'm here today at Warrington Farm Pond, which is the closest place to me, which is only about 30 minutes away. We have no wind today. I don't expect much wind at all, so it's going to be a drifting race. We'll just have fun.
I'm Bart. I sail number 777, and I just hope to maybe stay with the pack and beat a couple people today and have a lot of fun.
Jerry Franco.
No. I need the ones
My
for
boat is
for him or for Scott. Or,
I got Spring Lake, New Jersey.
Okay,
And they're all hot.
because I've got
for
4 of them
Racing
sitting at the
today.
shop where they don't
I'm doing
belong.
this for about 8
I
years.
went home and I
Probably
plugged it into that thing.
maybe another 2,
Yeah, that thing is,
and then I'll be finished.
it's like 3 minutes.
What else do you need to know? Any questions for me?
It only
Nothing?
took 20 minutes to figure out.
What do you expect to happen today? What do you
That's
are you going to
true, 'cause
be
we were like Googling,
first?
like,
I'm
what
gonna
the
kill
hell? How do
I'm
you
gonna
make this
kill
thing? Oh.
I'm gonna name the boat Wet Work.
Rick. Hi, I'm Dave Ramus.
Since he came to Cooper River.
We're at the Annapolis, technically Annapolis Regatta in Queenstown, Maryland.
No, he did on the
my
radio.
boat's 05.
You know, at DX7S.
And today's breeze is going to be coming from the southwest, which is a little bit down the far shore. It's going to be light airs, but we've got a great group of people here, and it should be a lot of fun. It's going to be a good time.
Hello, I'm Drew. My boat's number 94, sailing EC12 today. Just out here to have fun and kick my buddy Tyler's ass. But other than that, it's going to be a beautiful day.
Hi, my name is Tyler. I'm sailing 167. It's an EC12. And that's kind of a joke. Yeah, he's not going to beat me. But today is just survival, so we'll see what happens.
Good morning, my name is Scott. I sail 1874, and it's supposed to be a glorious day today, light winds, and my goal today is to stay up with the national champions that we have in this region.
No, I'm just here, like I said, to visit and play with my buddies, get our toys out, and have a fun day sailing. No expectations, honestly. Like I say, hopefully we'll get a little air, and whatever happens, happens. But here for the enjoyment, not necessarily the competition. Good to be here.
Hi, I'm Bill. My boat number is 2019. Sailing an EC12 today, and just looking to have a great day with a bunch of good guys in the sun.
Race
Good
3.
day, race fans. I'm Brock Holiday, coming to you from Warrenton Lane Pond in Queenstown, Maryland for the Annapolis Regatta. And right off the start, we have 3 boats that got tied up in a collision. Number 777, 35, and let me check the specs. Number 94, Drew, all got tied up on the start. We'll check with their pit crews and see if any of them are going to be able to continue. Word from the pit crews that only Mahi, number 777, will be able to continue, but only after a lengthy delay as the crews get them back in the water. The other 2 boats have been retired from this race. Pack is starting to tighten up as they go around the first mark, and we have a collision as number 74 Scott G hits number 88 Dom, but it was Dom's fault as Scott was on starboard and Dom was on port. Let's see if 88 does a penalty turn. Scott has given up a lot of water room to Dom, and Dom never did the turn. I think I heard him call out, "Hey Dom, where's that penalty turn?" A quick note for our sports fans out there. Boat number 777, Mahi, piloted by Bart. I'm hearing that it is back in the water and moving down the course. I think I just got a glimpse, and yes, there is 777 Mahi coming up the course. And here we have the leaders. It appears that 405 is a little bit above 05 Dave. Let's see how they do.
So, take a 5-minute break.
race over, 405 is in first, and 05 Dave is in second. And there is Mahi 777, and no, he's not in third because he is a lap down. Remember, he was involved in that collision. But we do see number 34 in third place. And here comes number 78 in fourth. We see number 76 Jerry way out across the pond testing his boat. He did not start this race. Here comes our leaders, number 405 and 05 in second, coming down the home stretch. As we see 05 bending way over in the wind. And here comes that blue and yellow boat in third place.
Wait a minute, that's the finish? 405. That's right.
Goes wild as 405 leads 05 across the finish line.
That wasn't 2.5 miles.
And here comes Jamie in third place. He is a crowd favorite.
Okay, sir. We're breaking for 5 minutes.
74 Scott G going for fourth place. He dives way down the course as he cuts back through across the finish line. And he does take fourth place. Now remember, 777 Mahi is a lap down as he continues on his quest to finish this race. And number 27 Tyler takes fifth, followed by 1549 Chris takes sixth, 56 Harry takes seventh, as they all finished really close. And coming across is number 88, which is Dom taking eighth.
Down here.
This could be a close one. And 2178 Roger takes ninth, followed by 2019 in 10th Bill. And number 25, Don, takes 11th.
78, 77.
And here comes number 78. He will finish 12th, Scott T has to be disappointed in that finish. Now I believe number 777, Mahi, piloted by Bart, is the only remaining competitor, but he is down and he will be finished in 13th place as 3 boats will either did not start or did not finish in this race. This is Brock Holiday signing off from the pond. Don't forget to subscribe. We need your support.